Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to record your screen on Google Meet. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On Google Meet, especially if you are the host, you're going to go to the bottom right of the screen and press the button labeled as Activities. And from there, you have the options of live streaming, recording, whiteboarding. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on recording. Click on the recording button. And as you can see here, the recording will be saved to our Google Meet recordings folder in our Google Drive. But please note that you can only record video call, or you can only record the Gmeet session or the Gmeet if you have a premium plan. Please make sure first that you have premium, and you will be able to start recording the sessions. And now simply click start recording, and it's going to ask you make sure that everyone is ready, because sometimes there are circumstances that we are not prepared when we record. But we're going to simply press start in this instance. And as you can see here on the top right or in the top left of our screen, it will say that this meet is being recorded. And that's how you record a Google Meet. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.